CBSE Mathematics Class 11th, Chapter 10, Exercise 10.2, Question number 7. You see, we have to find the equation of the line passing through the point -1, 1 and 2, -4. So, the general equation is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here you see y1 is 1, x1 is -1, x2 is 2, y2 is -4. So just substitute these values. Y minus 1 equal to -4 minus 1, 2 minus -1, x minus -1. So after solving we will get y minus 1 equal to -5/3 in bracket x plus 1. So further solve it just by cross multiply. So 3y minus 3 equal to -5x minus 5. So transpose all this thing to one side. We will get 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, and this will be the answer of question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. We have to find the equation of the line. The line is perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. And the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degrees. You see there is a line AB and it is from the origin perpendicular has been drawn, that is OC is perpendicular to AB and its OC is equal to 5 units. And OC makes an angle of 30 degrees with the x-axis. Means AOC is 30 degrees, it is given. So you can easily find out if it is 30 degrees, then it will be 60 degrees. CAO will be 60 degrees. Once it is 60 degrees, it will be also 30 degrees. Now you see, the equation of a line in the perpendicular form is P is equal to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. Here the OC is perpendicular to AB and the angle COA is 30 degrees. Therefore angle COB is equal to 60 degrees and OC is equal to 5 units, already described. Now you see, in place of P means perpendicular distance, that is 5. It is given. So x cos 30 degrees. The alpha stands for 30 degrees. So x cos 30 degrees plus y sin 30 degrees. I have just substituted the value in the general equation in the form of perpendicular. So 5 will be equal to x into √3/2. cos 30 डिग्री जो होता है वो किसके बराबर होता है? √3/2 के, प्लस y into 1/2. Now multiplying each term by 2, we will get here 10 equal to √3x plus y equal to 10, and this will be the equation of the given questions. And now come to the question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR are 2, 1, Q -2, 3 and R 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. What is the median? First of all, let me tell you. The vertex R joining the midpoint of PQ. So line joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite sides is known as the median. So here the median has been drawn from the vertex R, whose coordinate is 4, 5. So first of all we have to find the midpoint of PQ. You see, to find the midpoint coordinate, here 2 plus -2. 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2, that will be equal to 0. 1 plus 3 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2. So we have got the coordinate of the point M. Now we have to find the equation of the line which is passing from RM. This is the coordinate of M is 0 and 2. The coordinate of the R is 4 and 5. So equation of RM means median will be equal to y minus 2 equal to 5 minus 2 upon 4 minus 0 in bracket x minus 0. Further solve it, you will get y minus 2 equal to 3 by 4 into x. So 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x. Again rearrange these terms. So 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This will be the required answer of question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the point 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. You see, हमारे को slope of line passing through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. We have to find out. So y2 minus y1. So that is 6 minus 5 upon minus 3 minus 2. So ultimately we will get the slope will be minus 1 by 5. Now the slope of perpendicular to this line will be negative reciprocal. That will be minus 1 upon minus 1 by 5. Solve it, you will get 5. So the equation will be, because it is passing through 4 and 5, you see, find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 and 5 and perpendicular to the line through the point 2 and 5 and 3 minus 3 and 6. So the slope of perpendicular to this line will be 5. So y minus 5 is equal to 5, that is slope. In bracket I have written x minus minus 3. X minus minus 3, because the line equation of line passing through minus 3 and 5, it is already given. The point is given. We have worked out the slope. So we are having the slope and 1 point. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we have just substituted the y1, that is minus 5, here x1, that is minus 3. So we will get 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0, and this will be the required answer of the question number 10. Now come to the question number 11. You see, a line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio of 1:n. Find the equation of the line. अब देखिए, हमारे को दिया हुआ है एक लाइन सेगमेंट. क्या है लाइन सेगमेंट का कोऑर्डिनेट? क्या है? ए का 1, 0, बी का क्या है 2, 3. There is a line PQ which is perpendicular to this, and the point of intersection of the perpendicular line and the line segment, given line segment AB, that is the point R, which divides the given line segment in the ratio of 1:n. 1:n. So find the equation of the line. Let us proceed here. X coordinate of the R. पहले मैंने बता चुका हूँ. एक तो मतलब उसमें मिसलेनियस प्लेलिस्ट में मैंने दिया हुआ है फार्मूलेज आल्सो इन डिटेल्स कोऑर्डिनेट का. सो the coordinate of the r, x coordinate of the r will be equal to n, you see, n into 1, n into 1 and plus 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus n. You see, n into 1 plus 1 into 2 divided by 1 plus n. These are the ratio. So n plus 2 divided by n plus 1. This will be the coordinate, x coordinate of the point R. Now come to the y coordinate of the point R will be equal to n into 0 plus 1 into 3 divided by 1 plus n. That will be ultimately, it will be equal to 3 upon n plus 1. Now the slope of AB. Slope of AB. You see, it is passing through A and B. So the y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 means that is 3. 3 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1. Here I have solved it. It is equal to 3. The slope of PQ. Slope of PQ will be negative reciprocal of this. Negative reciprocal of the given line segment which is perpendicular to it will be, the slope of PQ will be given minus 1 by 3. So the equation of PQ will be, you see, it is passing through the R. R is given already, that is 3, what is called x, you see, n plus 2 by n plus 1 and 3 by n plus 1. So the equation of PQ will be given that y minus 3 upon n plus 1. Here it should be n plus 1. N plus 1 equal to minus 1 by 3 in bracket x minus n plus 2 upon n plus 1. Solve it. You see that after taking the LCM on both the sides and multiplying the left hand side by 3, cross multiplication of the 3, we will have the n plus 1 into y minus 3 in bracket, and outside of the bracket I have written 3 from this place, and on the right hand side you see minus has been multiplied to minus n plus 1, cross multiplication n plus 1 into x plus n plus 2. So after further solving it, you will get 3n plus 1 bracket में into y minus 9, 3 3 is 9, equal to minus n plus 1 x plus n plus 2. Now again arrange it. So just I have taken the x terms to the left hand side, so it will become plus. So n plus 1 into x plus 3 into n plus 1 y equal to n plus 11. You see, minus 9 and 2, that will be added. It will become n plus 11. So this will be the required answer of question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Find the equation of a line that cuts off the equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. अब हमारे को दिया हुआ है कि x एक्सेस और y एक्सेस पर इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट कट करता है. सो लेट इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट बी a. उसका जो इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट है a मान लिया जाए. So general equation will become like this: x by a plus y by a, because in b we have to write a equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to a. This line passes through 2 and 3. This line passes through 2 and 3. Then just substitute the value of x and y. 2 plus 3, we will get the value of y, that is, value of a, it will be equal to 5. So hence the equation of the line is x plus y equal to 5, and this will be the required answer of question number 12. Now come to the question number 13. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercept on the x-axis whose sum is 9. जिसका सम कितना है? 9 दिया हुआ है. Intercept. So here the general formula for intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Where a plus b is 9, it is given. So b will be equal to 9 minus a. This line is passing, you see, x by a plus y by 9 minus a equal to 1. This line passing through 2, 2. So just x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Substitute it. So we will get 2 upon a plus 2 upon 9 minus a equal to 1. Take the LCM. The LCM will be equal to 9a minus a square. In the numerator, you will get 9 minus a plus a. Minus a and plus a will be cancelled, and it will be equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiply it, we will get 9a minus a square. 9a minus a square is equal to 18. 2 9 ja 18. Or a square minus 9a plus 18 is equal to 0. This 9a minus 9a can be splitted in two parts, that is a square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. So here, factorize it, you will get a minus 6, taking the a as a common factor between first and second term, and from the third and fourth term we will take minus 3 common. So we will get a minus 6, and it will be common to both term, that will be equal to a minus 3 into a minus 6 and equal to 0. So a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 6. We will get two values. So when a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6, or when a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3. When a is equal to 3 and a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6, at that time the x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. So you solve it, you will get 2x plus y is equal to 6. When a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3, you will get here x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. Further solve it, you will get x plus 3y equal to 6. And these are the two answers of question number 13. Now proceed to the question number 14. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line through the point 0, 2, making an angle of 2 pi by 3 with the positive x-axis. Also find the equation of the line parallel to it and crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Means there are two lines, L1 and L2. You see, this line makes an angle equal to 2 pi by 3 with the positive direction of x-axis, and it is passing through 0, 2, and the second line that is passing through 0, minus 2. But the angle, because these are the parallel lines, so you see the line L1 is passing through the 0 2 and the slope is tangent 2 pi by 3, that will be equal to m, and that will be equal to minus root 3. Therefore, the equation is y minus 2 equal to minus root 3 in bracket x minus 0. So, y minus 2 is equal to minus root 3x, or root 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Line L2 is passing through the 0 minus 2 and the slope is tangent 2 pi by 3, and its value will be equal to minus root 3. So y plus 2 equal to minus root 3 in bracket x minus 0. So root 3x plus y plus 2 will be the required equation. You see, minus root 3 I have taken to this side. So it will be equal to, this will be the required equation. Now come to the question number 15. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Here OP makes an angle with the x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, that is 90 plus theta. You see, I have taken this is theta, and it is passing through the minus 2 and 9. So one of the way in which I have done, the second method I will describe later. So OP will be equal to, you see, this will be the 2 centimeter, because it is minus 2 and 9, the point through which the perpendicular meets the given lines. So OP will be equal to root 2 square plus 9 square, and it will be equal to root 85. The OP is equal to root pi, and this is equal to P. P means the perpendicular distance. It is P. Now find out the value of sine alpha, that is sine alpha is equal to sine 90 plus theta, that will be equal to cos theta. So 9 by root 85, you see, we have done. तो ये जो वर्टिकल लाइन हाइपोटेनस है, हाइपोटेनस को हमने वर्कआउट किया है, रूट 85 आया. So 9 divided by, you see, this will become base. So base divided by hypotenuse, that will be the cos theta. So 9 by root 85. Similarly for cos alpha, cos 90 plus theta, क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में थीटा आ जाएगा. So it will be equal to, see, cos 90 plus theta, it will be equal to minus sine theta, and it will be equal to minus 2 by root 85. So the value of cos alpha in the second quadrant will be the negative. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. So just write down the values of x cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to minus 2 by root 85 plus 9 by root 85 into y, that is equal to root 85. 85 is the P, perpendicular distance from the origin to the line. So minus 2x plus 9y is equal to 85. You just arrange it. So 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. This will be the required answer of question number 15. The second method, the equation of OP, because it is passing through the 0, 0 and minus 2 and 9. So the equation of OP can be written like this: y minus 0 is equal to 9 minus 0 upon minus 2 minus 0 into x minus 0. So y will be equal to minus 9 by 2x. The slope of OP is, here slope of OP is minus 9 by 2. Slope of OP is minus 9 by 2. Now find out the slope of line perpendicular to it, means slope of AB. Slope of AB will be equal to negative reciprocal. That is minus 1 upon minus 9 by 2, that it will become 2 by 9. Means slope of AB will be equal to 2 by 9. AB is passing through minus 2 and 9. So equation of AB will be y minus 9 equal to 2 by 9 in bracket x minus minus 2. Further solve it, you will get y minus 9 equal to 2 by 9 in bracket x plus 2. This implies that 9y minus 81 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now arrange it. So you will get 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. The same answer. Now come to the question number 16. The length L in centimeter of a copper rod is linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment of L is equal to 124.942 when Celsius is temperature is 20 degree and length is 125.134 when temperature C is, that is Celsius, that is 110. Express length in terms of Celsius C. You see the copper rod is here and let it, the length is L. So it is directly proportional to the temperature. Directly proportional का मतलब है जैसे जैसे आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे उसका लेंथ इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, एक्सपेंड होता जाएगा. So that is why length is directly proportional to temperature C. So L is equal to 2 plus C. The linear function, if the temperature, you see the Celsius temperature is increasing, upward arrow mark indicate for increasing, then the length will also increase. Length will also increase. If the temperature is increasing, length is also increasing. That is why the length is directly proportional to the temperature. Here C means the temperature is 20 degree. At that time the length is 124.942 centimeter. C is equal to, you can write down the centimeter also. It is centimeter, it is also centimeter. These are the temperature. So degree Celsius. So we know the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here man, just I have drawn the graph. You see on 20 degrees Celsius, its length which has been indicated on the y-axis, temperature it has been indicated on the x-axis. 20 degrees Celsius पर इसका लेंथ कितना दिया हुआ 124.942 और 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर इसका लेंथ दिया हुआ है 125.134. So the difference you see, or along y-axis, the difference will indicate the increase in length, and the temperature difference will give you the length of base. So perpendicular divided by base, that will be the slope of this line. You see, the slope will be, slope m will be equal to 125.134 minus 124.942 whole divided by 110 minus 20. It will be equal to 0.192 upon 90. So the length L minus 124.942 is equal to 0.192 upon 90. This is the slope. एंड टेम्परेचर को क्या लिखा मैंने एक्स एक्सेस पर जो दिखाया हुआ है x माइनस x1 दैट इज C माइनस 20. लेंथ 124.942 प्लस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर माइनस था ट्रांसपोज करोगे तो क्या होगा प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 0.192 अपॉन 90 इंटू सेल्सियस में क्या है C माइनस 20. And this will be the expression, means L has been, length has been expressed in terms of C. C का मतलब होता है सेल्सियस में. So 124.942 plus 0.192 upon 90, this is the slope, into C means Celsius temperature minus 20. That will give you the required answer of the question number 16.